Alright guys, let's go through how to make a table just like this. Let's go through some of the definitions: caption, head, th, body, tr, td, foot. Alright, so this is going to be our exact example. So we're going to have our header, our body, the rows, and the cells. And let's visualize how it works. So we have the table, within that we have the header and the body, then we have the rows, and within that we have our cells. Let's go make our HTML and our CSS page. Let's create our table, and we'll add in our header and the 4 headings: country, capital, currency, and symbol. Let's add in some CSS properties to style it up a bit. We'll add in our border, some of our padding, and we'll make the font bold. There we go, that's looking nice. Next, let's go add in our body, our first row, and we'll add in India first. And let's go format that too. So we'll just center it, add some padding in. There we go, that's looking fantastic. Now, let's go add our next row in. So we'll add in Australia. There we go. And let's just go add in all of our rows. So we'll add France, and we'll also add in Switzerland. There we go, that's looking nice. So let's go format all of this up. So we'll do this using CSS, obviously. So let's go add a padding in and text line for all of our rows. And that's pretty much it. There we go, that's looking awesome. Next, looking a bit dull now. So let's go add some color in. So we'll add in a nice yellowy tint to the whole page. There we go, that's looking fantastic. So next, we want to change up the font a bit. You know, it's a bit boring having our classic. So let's put in an Open Sans. That's looking, you know, a little bit more modern. Next, let's remove our border and the corners. We'll make the corners round. We do that using, you know, border radius. That's looking, you know, pretty modern, right? And last thing we're going to do is add in a highlight when the user hovers over the page. Well, we'll make it a very slight blue. That's it. That's how you make tables in HTML. Simple as that. Alright, catch you later, Mr. C. Aha.